PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday morning. And the attention turns now from thunderstorms to the potential for a late season freeze here. In fact, a couple of mornings where readings will likely dip below the freezing mark. Let's go right to some of the Skycam images this morning. There's a look at downtown Jasper. At 5 o'clock, temperatures are dropping through the 40s this morning as colder air rushes in here following a cold front last night. There's the view coming from the campus of the University of Montevallo. It's cloudy. We'll probably have lingering clouds much of the day today and tonight. And from Trussville, what are those people doing shopping at Walmart at 5 o'clock in the morning? That's the big question. There's the water vapor satellite shot, and boy, what an impressive trough developing over the eastern U.S. here in April. And look at the cold air. Temperatures are below freezing north of a line from near Lubbock to Kansas City and Milwaukee. And that cold air will just keep on dropping south. And again, we have potential for a freeze tomorrow morning and then again Wednesday morning. Tomorrow morning, we think temperatures should be pretty uniform with clouds and wind, but Wednesday morning, it'll be one of those radiational mornings where numbers are all over the place, as you'll see in a moment. Expected rain this week. This is valid through Friday evening, and this is suggesting rain amounts of about 1 inch over the Tennessee Valley with lighter amounts down south, and that will be Thursday night and Friday, as we'll have some rain to wrap up the week. Here's a look at midday today. This is at 500 millibars, and you can see a series of vorticity centers coming through the trough. Another one over Kansas. It'll be rotating in here tonight. At the surface, it's going to be windy and cold today with clouds, and again, there could be a few sprinkles up there in the Tennessee Valley and maybe even a few flurries tonight. For now, we're not going to mention that because really the big deal is the cold, but say north of U.S. 278. Wouldn't be shocked if we did see a few snowflakes tonight or early tomorrow. Tomorrow, the cold air is deeper, and again, you can see that wraparound moisture down into the Tennessee Valley with some hint of flurries. And we figure down here the sky will clear tomorrow. I don't think we see any sunshine today. We'll stay cloudy tonight. The winds will stay up. That's why we think tomorrow morning the temperature should be uniform. But gradual clearing and still cold tomorrow. We might really have a hard time getting out of the 40s if that's right. And then Wednesday, that's when we'll have the radiational cooling morning. The colder valleys, low 20s, ridge tops probably mid-30s. But we think most spots are going to be in the upper 20s at daybreak Wednesday. But then we'll start the rebound. We'll be well up in the 60s. And then Thursday, here comes our next storm off to the west. Down at the surface, we'll be up in the 70s on Thursday with rain to the west. We'll go to Thursday night at midnight. Looks like showers and storms should be moving in here. And then Friday, the surface low doesn't move all that much. That might be Friday will be the better rain day with this. And we'll watch for some sign of strong storms. This storm not as vigorous as some of the more recent ones, but this is April, you know. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, that is gone, and Saturday should be a sunny day and no real cold air advection this time. Highs probably in the 60s. And then Sunday, here comes the next storm system. For the moment, Sunday looks dry, and then Monday of next week, shortwave rotating through with the surface low up there just north of Chicago, a chance of showers and storms a week from today. Let's go long range, 21st of April. It's a pretty good-looking vortex over eastern Canada, and that looks awfully cold for the Great Lakes and New England. And again, this is the 21st of April, pretty deep in the season. And around here, that looks relatively wet at that point. But as we all know, that will change probably. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.